Yes, hello everyone. Oh, this is Simon Peter, aka Simon Snipes, your boy. All right, so I'm here again today to just to just talk about Roy Club, and today what we're gonna discuss is what is Roy Club. Like you've been hearing about it, but then you'd be like, okay, so what is Roy Club? I mean, what do you guys do? Like, what is it all about? Well, this is where you're gonna get that information because I'm gonna be telling you what Roy Club is all about. So, today is Wednesday, February 5th, 2020, and today is the day that I will be discussing some of the basics of the Roy Club. Uh, First of all, I would just recommend you to follow Roy Club uh, on the website, which is roy.club, and on the website you'll be able to find quite lots of information that will be able to surely give you more clue about what Roy Club is all about. Then you can check out our Facebook link. As you can see, this is the link. You can check out our Facebook link, uh, like our page, and follow us so that you can keep updated and see more notifications on what's happening. Follow us on Instagram at royclub.africa. That is uh, that is the name. Follow us on Instagram, as you'll also keep being updated on other things. And finally, we have a YouTube channel where some of the videos on different kind of things are recorded, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel that you may be able to keep updated with us. So basically, Roy Club is a Prism cryptocurrency, a paramining platform that unites participants all over the world. And when we talk about Prism as a cryptocurrency and it being supported within the Roy Club system, it is basically the payment method used within the Roy Club. So, how does it unite participants all over the world? I mean, people from different walks of life, from Russia, from the USA, from all over, come join together and united within the Roy Club, seeking a common goal, and that is to have a passive income or to better the lives of others who might not have it so well. So, Roy Club is the only community on the internet, or probably let's say on Earth, or in the world, I mean, that has no signs and is not a financial pyramid. So why do we say this? Why do we say it's? I mean, there's so many hypes that have been out there, and why are we saying Roy Club is any different, right? Why are we saying it's any different? Well, it's quite simple because every member of the community has the opportunity within 24 hours a day and 7 days a week at any time to withdraw all their accumulated coins. You know, all your accumulated coins. It doesn't matter what time. You can deposit now and be like, after 24 hours, you just go and withdraw everything out. Like, no questions asked. Like, they won't be asking you, hey, why are you withdrawing your coins? No one asks that kind of question. Even if 100% of the participants want to do it in one day, then they can easily do it. So basically, let's say there are about 1,000 users within the Yoroi Club system. And somehow that day, everyone is like, you know what? I'm going to withdraw all my money. Guess what? They can withdraw all that money on on that very day. And that is how different it is from the rest of the systems that you have probably heard about. So what are the advantages? What are some of the advantages that we see Roy Club offering that probably we haven't seen anywhere else? Why use cryptocurrency Prism? Why is Roy Club having the cryptocurrency Prism within their system? First of all, income up to 29% per month, meaning that is up to 0.8% per day. No loss of funds. I mean, restart, reboot, scam is just basically impossible. The growth rate, which in the system is called ROI, after each transaction, several times per hour. The withdraw at any time of the full amount with interest and bonuses in automatic mode. Remember, that's what I talked about earlier, that at any point after investing, you can easily just pull out your money, and that is quite amazing, right? So beautiful. So you can participate in any amount without restrictions. I mean, you can deposit 100 PRISM, 1,000 PRISM. I mean, there's no restriction. And besides, I mean, the more you invest, that means the bigger the growth, right? So no restrictions at all. No restrictions. And that is so beautiful. And that is why we see Roy Club really becoming something very great. And the fact that they're aiming at being able to provide a possibility of passive income for us in the near future is great. Allow me stop here as we have so much more that we shall be discussing and getting to learn more about Roy Club. Otherwise, I wish you a good day and enjoy the rest of the day and hope to meet tomorrow. Thank you. I remain Simon Peter, aka Simon Snipes. See you later.